Arjuna is such an Ati Maharati. He's shaking and quivering in fear at seeing the Virata Roop. There was no sweetness there. There was no intimacy there. There was no friendliness there. Right? In such a huge form. So Krishna is not like that. He's Rupa Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Prema Madhurya. So his form is very sweet. And our forms will be very sweet. For example, most of the acharyas in our line, Bhaktisanta Saraswati, Gorakishore Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Srinivasacharya Narottam, Shamananda, Lokanath Goswami, Krishnadas Kaviraj, Sat Goswamis, all of those acharyas, who are all in our line of Bhagavad Parampara, their spiritual forms are gopis. They're not pieces of dust. They are gopis. And they're 12 and a half to 13 years old. They're very beautiful spiritual forms. Human-like forms, hair and eyes and everything. Beautiful. But there's Satchidananda Vigraha, spiritual bodies. And they render service to Krishna. And they can have very intimate relationship serving Krishna, Radha and Krishna. It's not you may be, but maybe not. Maybe you'll be one of these manjaris. Maybe